How's it going? How's it going? Good afternoon. What's up, everybody? What's up? What's going on? Welcome to today's Friday. Yeah. Just didn't do any vlogging yesterday. Just didn't do anything. Not a whole lot going on these next couple of days. But tonight, going on a little camping trip. So with the staff, so pumped about that. Maybe just gonna camp out and sit on a fire and shoot some guns, frisbee, all that kind of stuff. So super excited about that. But in the meantime, it's time to go charge up some batteries and get ready to go out there, pack up. Also, let's talk about how beautiful today is. Stellar. Like a stellar fall day. Alright, pretty much got everything. Got the camera, another camera, a tripod, backpack with stuff, 2 jackets, sleeping pad, water bottle, and the tent is in the car. We're currently rolling out. I have everything in hands. So, one hand is for filming, the other for carrying everything else, as you can see. So we're here, and I can't find where we're supposed to go. We're at this little like Y section, and I've already been down this way, and I went back up this way, and I don't know where to go. So we're gonna give this guy a call. All right, so we kind of sort of found it, waiting on a ride down there. Apparently it's a bumpy ride, so don't want to take Tina down there because that would be bad and she would get torn up. So we are going to get all ready to go. So we're here, just arrived at the campsite. It's right over there. It's a great campsite. It's gonna be a good night. It's gonna be a beautiful fall night. Cold, crisp, perfect. Absolutely perfect. You gotta do it.
That's the point.
We're in our sleeping quarters for the night. Over here. So, yeah, it's been a good night.
I love it.
That's my view right now. It's cold. It's chilly. I will catch you guys in the morning. Remember that adventure's always out there, only if you go find it. Alright, love you guys. Goodbye. Good night.